Hello, juniors, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you are all fine. Well, in today's video, we are going to learn that how to write A, lowercase and uppercase. This video is for junior, for those kids that do not know how to write alphabets. This video is for preschool students or preschool kids. Now, before we start our video, before we start learning A to ERD, first of all, I'll show you something else. First of all, the main thing that you should keep in your mind is this is a slipping line. We call it a slipping line. Well, this is a slipping line. Which line is this? Very good, a slipping line. And this is a straight line. A straight line. Which line is this? A straight line. And this is a curved line. This is a curved line. It can also be like this. These both are very good curved line. Now I'll start my video. For those who wants to improve their writing skill or who wants to learn alphabets easily, they should learn on 4 lines, right? By practicing on 4 lines, one can easily improve and easily learn alphabets and improve his or her handwriting. First of all, I'll show you how to write A. First of all, I will draw a dot. This is a single dot and another dot here. Now, first step is I have draw 2 dots here and here. Now, in the center of these 2 dots, first of all, where is the center of these 2 dots? Here. Now, in the center of these 2 dots, we will draw another dot, but not on the third line, but on the first line. Alright, this is the center, and here I draw another dot. Now I'll match these 3 dots to write a beautiful A like this. This is our A and midline. I hope you understand it. I'll write it again. First of all, first step is draw a single dot and draw another dot, and on the center of these 2 dots draw another dot, but on the first line or on the top like this. A should be equally both side, right? A should be not like this and not like this, but like this. A should be like this. These two are wrong, right? Now I'll write it again. I'll match these 3 dots by draw a curve line. I'll write a curve line here. Now I'll draw another curve line here and a center line to complete it. This is our A. Now I'll write lowercase a. First of all, this is a half circle. As we know, this is a circle and this is a half circle. The first step is we will write a small circle. The half circle. This is a half circle. This is what? A half circle. Now we will draw a straight line. We will draw a straight line and a tail. A little teeny tail. This is uppercase A and this is lowercase a. I hope you have learned how to write A. Now we will learn how to write B. Again, I'll draw a straight line. This is a straight line. It also has another easiest way, that is draw two dots and match these two dots. Also draw another two dots and match these two dots. B should not be like this and not be should like this. These two are wrong. The this part and this part should be the same. B should be same from top to bottom, right? Now the first method is this and the second method is this. I'll draw a straight line and draw half circle. Do you remember the half circle? And another half circle. Wow, this is our B, uppercase. And now we will write a lowercase b. For lowercase b, we will draw a straight line. This is, which line is this? A straight line. Now, do you remember the half circle? Very good. This is a half circle and this is also a half circle. We will draw now this type of half circle. Yes, this is lowercase b. Now we write C, lowercase and uppercase. For C, we have to draw a half circle. Do you remember the half circle? This is a half circle. Now draw a half circle. This is C. As we know, this is our full circle. So if we remove the half part of a circle, so the left part is called C. This is our C. Now same like uppercase C, lowercase c is also like half circle. This is the lowercase c. Now we will draw D, lowercase and uppercase. First step is draw a dot. Draw two dots or simply draw a straight line. A straight line. Now this is a D. How to write lowercase d? Draw a straight line and a half circle, right? This is a straight line and this is a half circle. Now again, after D we have E. Again we will write a straight line. Which line is this? A straight line. Very good. E is the easiest alphabet ever. This. Just draw a straight line and sleeping line. Alright, this is E. Same like C, we will write a half circle and after half circle we will cut it. We will cut it and this will be E. This will be E.